Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll go over how to reactivate an Instacart account that has been deactivated. The first thing to do is understand the appeal process. If your account was deactivated, there might be a way to restore it by going through Instacart's appeal process. This generally involves submitting evidence that shows the deactivation may have been a mistake or misunderstanding. Next, you'll need to confirm your identity and provide account-related information. This step is essential to help Instacart verify who you are and ensure your request is valid. You may be asked to take further steps to correct the issue. This could include sending additional photos or offering proof that supports your explanation. Another important part of the process is reaching out to Instacart support. You can do this by emailing help@rateinstacart.com. Before making contact, make sure your profile is fully completed and has the most current information. It's a good idea to review and update details like your home address or job information. Keeping your account data up to date helps avoid unnecessary delays. If possible, try speaking with a customer support manager directly. This gives you the opportunity to clearly explain why you believe your account should be reactivated. It also shows that you're taking the situation seriously. However, it's important to keep in mind that if your account was banned due to serious misconduct, there's a strong chance it won't be reactivated. Creating a second account is not advised as it goes against Instacart's terms of service and could lead to further consequences. Thank you for watching.